What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Welcome to this week's Hot Wheels news, where every week we go over the latest and greatest in the Hot Wheels world. Before we get started, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, where I post weekly. I post a lot of updates and stuff that you don't get to see on my YouTube channel. So make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram at Peak Time Racing. Let's get right into this week's Hot Wheels news. We've got a lot of great stuff to talk about, but first, as you guys can see on screen, we've got the brand new Honda Civic Si, and obviously photo credit to Hot Wheels Dream Team, but this is a brand new casting that's coming out. It looks to be like it's pretty well done, although it is speculated that these wheels won't make the final production casting, although I think these wheels look absolutely fantastic. I'm not a big Honda fan, you guys know that, but they're coming out with a lot of really good looking Hondas in the Hot Wheels lineup. So this Civic definitely is going to be a cool release. I cannot wait to see this one. Moving on to our next one, we've got another Honda Civic. We've got the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is a recolored casting in black, and it looks like it's got gold or red lips on the wheels. It's hard to see exactly, but you can see right there, kind of, I don't know, I'm gonna go with gold on there. I'm hoping it's gold. I love black and gold. I think it looks really cool with the black and gold. But what do you guys think of all the brand new Honda Civic releases this year? We've seen a lot of Honda Civics being released this year and at the end of last year as well. What do you guys think? Are you guys big Honda Civic fans? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Moving on to our next one, we've got the Mazda RX7, and this one's a really cool looking green color, and it does appear to be a premium line car. It's got the Real Riders, got some really cool wheels on there, although there is a little bit of speculation that this could be a custom car. We aren't 100% sure, but I really hope to see this in the Hot Wheels lineup. Definitely going to be in the premium line if it does come into our Hot Wheels lineup. But what do you guys think of this one? Are you guys big Mazda RX-7 fans? I love Mazdas, as you guys know. So I'm really looking forward to this one in the Hot Wheels lineup. Moving on to our next car, we have got Hot Wheels ID. We've got another Hot Wheels ID car, and this is Time a Taxi. Kind of an interesting casting to put into a Hot Wheels ID car. This is a very fantasy casting. It's got this little door that opens up on the actual mainline casting, and I would assume that would probably open up on a Hot Wheels ID car. You can see these are the tires that they're using for the Hot Wheels ID, but this is another Hot Wheels ID car, and you can see right in front of it, we've got the Nissan GTR R35 sitting right there in front of it, that white one that we're going to see in the Hot Wheels ID. But I'm looking forward to Hot Wheels ID. I can't wait till they hit stores. I really want to get my hands on them. I really want to try it out. I want to do some reviews on Hot Wheels ID for you guys. We'll find out in the future. Moving on to our next one, we've got the Morris Mini Super Treasure Hunt. We did talk about this last week and a few times before, but now we're getting it in the actual card itself. This is the short card variation, and there is our long card variation. So this one is going to be upcoming in I believe it's the M or P case that we're going to get this one in. So stay tuned, guys. If you want to find the Morris Mini, it's going to be hitting stores very, very soon. Alright guys, the one that you've been waiting for, the Aston Martin Vulcan. We are going to be seeing the Aston Martin Vulcan in our 2019 Hot Wheels mainline, and I finally do have confirmation on the case that we're going to be seeing this one in. It's going to be found in the 2019 Hot Wheels P case. So if you guys want to find this one, check out the 2019 Hot Wheels P case, which we should be getting probably in about another month or two. And if you guys don't remember already, we are going to see in the N case the Bugatti Chiron. So Chiron in the N case, Vulcan in the P case. We've got some amazing cars coming up for the 2019 Hot Wheels mainline, but we do have some more pictures to show you guys of the Vulcan. This is an unpainted prototype variation of it, but this is what it's going to look like. We don't have any confirmation on the exact color that we're going to be seeing it in, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think this would be cool in a dark blue color maybe, or even a red color. It would look pretty cool in, but I'm excited for it. I really like the Vulcan. You can see it's got the plastic base bottom, and then we've got the plastic rear wing, but then we've got the metal body. We've got the total glass type of roof on there. Obviously it's a plastic piece there, but very, very cool. I'm really, really looking forward to this one. Next up, I just revealed it already, guys. We've got the Mclaren Senna in a brand new orange color variation. So we got it originally in kind of that bluish gray color, but now we're getting it released in an orange color variation. And this one looks like it's production ready. So this one should be hitting a case coming up Hopefully it's going to be in the M case, but most likely it's going to be in the N or the P case. We don't really know 100% for sure. I'd love to see this one in the M case. I mean, we could have a Senna in the M case, the Chiron in the N case, and then the Vulcan in the P case. That would be an amazing 3 cases in a row. So I'm really looking forward to seeing the McLaren Senna in this orange color. I love this orange way better than the original release. There's the base of it, and there is your unrivet version of it. But let me know in the comments down below, guys, which car are you looking forward to the most that's upcoming in our next M, N, and P cases? It's really hard to say. I mean, obviously being a big Bugatti fan, I want to see the Bugatti, but the McLaren Senna and the orange color, the Vulcan, there's just so many, it's so hard to choose, guys. And also, I will let you know that my Bugatti Chiron, my Hot Wheels Bugatti Chiron, should be here by hopefully the weekend. So as soon as I get that in, we'll be throwing a video up for you guys as soon as possible. But that's going to wrap up for today's show. Again, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and we will catch you guys on next week's show. See ya. Peace.